TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 34. The Nasdaq is off 25. S&P's down 6.5. Gold contracts trading up $5 at $12.71.30 an ounce. We have silver up 7 cents, $16.65. Platinum's trading up 6, $9.31. You get the copper market flat at $2.87 a pound. Light sweet crude almost hitting that $50 level. We're up 34 cents, $49.37 a barrel. Notes: 10-year note flat, 125.26. 30-year bond up 5 ticks, 152.24. Now, notes and bonds, they've done it again, folks. Bottom line, you go fast, furious down on Tuesday, doesn't break a lower swing point. You do have an expansion of volume. However, that was going into a much larger sign of strength. Guess what? Notes, bonds continue to want higher price, lower yield. King dollar. King dollar down 305 ticks. You're trading at 93.410. Now, King dollar is going to get interesting. This is why. King dollar hits 93.000 yesterday. It's down from 103. So you're talking about a monster move without one bounce. Try to bounce Tuesday, couldn't handle it. Try to bounce yesterday, couldn't handle it. What you have happening today, even though you see it down, bottom line, it's not getting close to that 93.000. So I expect what you're going to get out of here, we're going to get some kind of a bounce of good old King dollar. The intriguing part is that in the bounce, is that what the market's not going to like? Because what we did have is that when we had that downdraft that was coming in fast and furious yesterday, guess what? Got a little bounce on King dollar and the market took a few conniptions. The euro is trading at 117 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is out there at 110. We take a look at the S&P. The S&P hasn't cracked. Bottom line, you got down there yesterday. The SPY got to 245. Guess what? Goes right back topside. We're at 246. You're coming into window dressing. What you can expect here is that we're going to get some kind of a bounce next 3 or 4 days. That's how this thing is shaking out. Dow Industrials, 21,773. I expect what you're going to see up here, the Dow's going to step at those highs till probably the 2nd, 3rd of August. Now, composite, different animal. The NASDAQ composite, folks, has given us 3 different warnings that this thing is going to go south, and it's going to go south big. Your first one came on the May 17th, 18th. You went down, fast, furious. Market comes all the way back. Next one, June 6th. Market comes all the way back. Next one, yesterday. I suspect, well, guess what? There's going to be another test out here. That is, the market is always giving you warnings that here it comes. And I suspect, guess what? It's coming. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here is trading at a price point. Jeez. We're trading right now at a price point of $12.71. You have done 148,000 contracts, so the gold contract finally gets a little juice in it. We're taking out the swing point of $12.67. You're taking it out on a daily, on a weekly. You get the volume behind the move. Gold wants to run up to this 13.05 area. Bonds, as I said a little bit earlier, if we take a look at that note market, same type of setup. Notes today came down to 125.17. The low that was established on Tuesday with contract volume of 1.4 million was 125.15. You tested again Tuesday. Yesterday, come down slightly. Today, what you're going to see, you went to a lower low, rejected it. This baby wants to get up into the 127.08. 30-year is the same type of setup. We take a look at the 30-year, and if we go over to the dollar is going to get really intriguing here. And the reason I think it's going to get intriguing is this. It's going to be what kind of a bounce can the dollar get going? Longer term, yeah, the dollar wants to go to 88. Guess what, folks? This dollar's gone straight down from 101.990, which was generated out here on March 9th. And the way it looks to me like right now, this is building a little type of bottom, trying to get a bounce. Maybe we get a bounce to 95.225. We'll see whether it can do that. An anemic bounce would be 93.890. That's only 500 ticks away. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe weekend. Look forward to speaking. I'm right back here, 10 o'clock, Monday morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.